What's good, man? So it's your boy Paul Nasir, and we're back with another banger. Now, why do I sound like Ibby the Kid?
No.
But anyways, yeah, welcome back to another video, guys. In today's video, you'll already saw I'm already doing another modification to my baby. The modification is shiny things, shiny tips. Because you like it and you love it like that. Oh, yeah, we're gonna go put my exhaust tailpiece on. So yeah, stay tuned. Going velo tailpiece. It's not OEM, but it's alright. It's alright, it's fine. Now some of us can't afford OEM, so we gotta do what we gotta do and what we can do. But yeah, stay tuned. Let us man go see how much this hours is gonna charge us. And then yeah. Yeah, it's right, yeah. Yeah. Ja, mensen, I'm back weer een chart. I don't know if you can hear me now. Yeah, this is how the car sound like now. Come and make your voice sharp. Come and show you. This is the double tailpiece.